There are people who've characterized your criticism of Mkhwanazi as an attack. I even saw Mbuyiseni Ndlonzi tweeting that, Mkhwanazi must be shielded from all petty, egotistical, pompous, and parasitic attacks. You don't think that was an attack, do you?
No. And that's why I'm repeating it.
Mm.
Anyone can hold any view, any short syndrome man's view on this matter. I don't care. I've got my own views and I speak facts. He must never, Mkhwanazi, use EFF or Julius Malema or CIC as a swear word to General Khan.
Mm-hmm.
If he wants to insult Khan, he says, EFF, Malema, dinner of EFF. What is that? Has got to do with anything. We've never done anything to the guy. He's just attacking us. And you expect us to fold our arms? He says, I met Malema through Khan, suggesting some impropriety. And he lives there. He leaves the sentence there.
Mm.
So once you don't tell the full truth, it amounts to a lie.
Mm.
You're lying. Why are you hiding that you called Khan and you spoke very bad about your minister to me? And you spoke very bad about your national commissioner to me. He must know, Mkhwanazi, I'm not scared of a policeman. I've never provoked him. I've never said anything. But he must stop dragging my name. And people say, Malema is saying all of these things because he's got anything to hide. Why would I say that if I've got anything to hide to such powerful people who are arresting people willy-nilly? You know, I once said in a press conference, Masemola, General Masemola can't send an email. He can't type. He's got no capacity. He can't send an email. I was told by Mkhwanazi in that meeting that Masemola can't write an email. Yeah, he told me that in that meeting. You can ask Khan about it. You can ask Vianney about it. And that's when I was confident to say it in public because it came from a credible corp that the national commissioner doesn't know how to send an email and he has surrounded himself with female generals because he's scared of male generals who are going to challenge him because he's got no capacity. And I said that. I repeated that in public in confidence because I was told by
him.
By him.